Good morning, my dear students of class 10. Now we have already completed the chapter 1, development. Today I will start discussion on questions and answers in the exercise page 16. Okay? Question and answers. Please open your book. Open your book at page number 16. Question number 1. Development of a country can generally be determined by number 1, its per capita income, correct, its average literacy level, correct, 3, health status of its people, 4, option 4, all the above. Which is the correct answer? Per capita income, average literacy level, health status. 4, all the above. 4 is the answer. Okay? 1, 4. 4, all the above. All the above. Okay? Number 2. Which of the following neighboring countries has better performance in terms of human development than India? Very easy. Very easy. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Okay? 3. Assume there are 4 families in a country. The average per capita income of these families is rupees 5,000. If the income of 3 families is rupees 4,000, rupees 7,000 and rupees 3,000 respectively, what is the income of the 4th country? Then you will have to calculate in this way. Total income of 4 families. Total income of 4 families. Average is rupees 5,000. So total will be 5,000 into 2 is equal to rupees 20,000. Okay? Now, total income of 3 families. Total income of 3 families. 3 families income is given. So you will have to add them. Okay? You will have to add the average per capita income of the 4 families. Yes. The 4,000, 7,000, 3,000. Okay. 4,000, 7,000 plus 3,000 is equal to 14,000. 14,000. So, income of the 4th family. Income of the 4th family. Very easy. 20,000 minus 14,000 is equal to 6,000. So, the answer is 6,000, that is 4. That is 4. Here is the calculation. Okay? Oh yes. One thing I forgot to tell you. Let me tell you. Okay? Let me rub it clean first. Yes, in my previous note, I have made one mistake. HDI is equal to, I have wrongly written Human Development Report. No, it will be Human Development Index. Okay? Wrongly I have written here report. No. Here it is I. So how can it be report? Yeah, right. So Human Development Index. Okay. Now, Human Development Index. Human Development Index is prepared on the basis of per capita income, education level, and health status. Okay. And on that basis, Human Development Report is prepared. Okay. On the basis of Human Development Index. On the basis of Human Development Index, Human Development Report is prepared by UNDP. Okay. So HDR is what the Human Development Report. Alright. And HDI is equal to Human Development Index. Wrongly I have written here report. Okay. Question number 4. Let me come to question number 4. What is the main criterion used by the World Bank in classifying different countries? What is the main criterion used by the World Bank? You know it. The criterion used by the World Bank. The criterion used by the World Bank is average income or per capita income. Average income or per capita income. Per capita income. Yes, World Bank uses this criterion. World Bank uses only one criterion, that is average income or per capita income. That is the answer. Okay. Now, second part of question 4. What are the limitations of this criterion, if any? What are the limitations of this criterion, if any? Yes, its limitations. That is, only per capita income does not tell us does not give us the correct idea about development of a country. Okay. Why its limitations? It has 3 limitations. Okay. Number 1, it hides disparities. Okay. Now, on the basis of per capita income, we cannot know now whether income of each family is the same or there is disparity. There is disparity, inequality. There is disparity or inequality that we cannot tell. That is the equitable distribution of income. Equitable distribution of income is another criteria. Distribution of income is to be considered. Okay? Is another criterion. Okay? So first limitation of the criterion used by World Bank, that is per capita, the first limitation is it hides disparities. We must have to consider whether income is equally distributed or not. Okay? Suppose there are 2 countries, A and B, both per capita income same. Per capita income same. Suppose both per capita income same. Okay, suppose it is 10,000. It is also 10,000. Same. But if its population, not population, but here, say, income equally distributed. Okay, equally distributed. And here, income not equally distributed. So now, what is which country is more developed? A. Country A is more developed. Am I clear? Okay. Second limitation. Limitation number 2. Limitation number 2. Okay. First limitation, it hides disparities. Second limitation is that education level, it does not consider education level. We must have to consider education level of a country. Okay? How can you know this? We can know this on the basis of literacy rate and net attendance ratio. Okay? Net attendance ratio. On these two factors depend education level. So second limitation of the criterion used by World Bank is that it does not consider education level of a country. We must have to consider the literacy rate and net attendance ratio of that country. Third and last. Okay? Third and last, that it ignores health status. It ignores health status. It ignores health status. It ignores health status of the people. Okay? Health status. Not only education level, but also we have to consider health status. Okay? Health status, we will have to consider health status. How do you know? How can you know health status? We can know it from infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate. Okay? Life expectancy at birth. Life expectancy at birth, birth rate, and death rate. All these tell us, all these factors, IMR, life expectancy at birth rate, and death rate, all these factors tell us about the health status of a country. Okay? So we must have to consider these three factors. So you see that answer to question number 4. What is the criterion used by the World Bank? The criterion used by the World Bank is average income or per capita income. Is there any limitation? Yes, it has 3 limitations. Number 1, it hides disparities. That is, equitable distribution of income should be another criteria. Number 2, it does not consider education level. Number 3 and last is, it ignores health status of the country. Okay? Alright, let me pass on to next question.